Hello everyone, this is Abu Talha. I'm a student at English Fantasy. Today I would like to share about a place where I visited recently. So recently I visited Cox's Bazar with my friends. It was a fantastic journey for us because it was a sudden trip for us. We didn't prepare for it, and also we enjoy a lot. And we go through the bus, and we started our journey from Dhaka at night, and we arrived there at morning, and we go our hotel room and take some rest and come out for visited their local beaches. And the next day we uh, booked a local vehicle, and we are going the to visited Marine Drive Road, and the road is full of nature of beauty, and one side is full of mountain, and the other side is lots of other side was lots of beaches, and we explore the beaches, and also we go take nap. It was the last place of our country, and we and evening we return back Cox's Bazar, and we go the local beach. The name of the beach is Kolatoli, and we take shower there, and we doing lots of fun there, and we go return our hotel and fresh ourselves and take our dinner, and then we again come back on beach, and we are doing lots of fun there. We play football there, and as well we get some shopping for family, and then we go again hotel and take rest, and then the next day we took a train and returned back Chittagong. And I called my friend, and he come with his car, and we are visited Potenga Beach, and we are doing lots of fun there. We saw the sunset, and as well we saw the Konofuli Tunnel also, and also we visited lots of port there, and we see the stadium. And that time there was playing Bangladesh versus Zimbabwe test match. We enjoyed the match, and at night we returned back Dhaka.